Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I hope your place name practice is going well. Today we're going to do a practice with the vowels using dice, which one of the words for that in te reo is mataono, 6 sides. Mataono, but there might be others as well that are in your dialect. So you can use blank dice and just put the letters on them, and you can use actual dice and just put stickers over them. But what I've done today, thanks to the idea from Amanda on the page today, suggesting it because she's seen me do it before, I've got these big dice so that you can see them. So this is a very mataono nui, a big dice. So I've got the vowels there. This one has got a line under it because I wanted to make sure that when we rolled it we didn't think it was N. So that's why there's a line there. So I've got all the vowels, and on the 6th side I've got another A because that's one of the most common sounds in te reo, a. So if you've been practicing these, you'll know a, e, I, o, u. So rolling that by itself is a good practice on its own. And then you, as soon as you've got that down, then add a consonant. So what we've got here is a selection of the consonants. In te reo there are only 15 letters, the 5 vowels, and 8 consonants, and then 2 things called digraphs. So these are the f and ng are the digraphs. It's 2 consonants joined together. In te reo, every word ends in a vowel. That's why we break every word up at the vowel. So we would have to, whatever we roll, we would have to put the consonant first and then the vowel second, because if we did it this way round, it wouldn't be a word. It wouldn't be a Māori word, at least. What am I trying to show you here? Here we go. So that wouldn't be a Māori word. This would be a Māori word because it ends with a vowel. So you're rolling these, seeing what you come up with. That turned into ru. So you're practicing the sounds that it turns. You're rolling again, seeing off what you come up with, and that turned into nga. You could make these have macrons on if you wish, and then if you want to, you can add another trickier part and put 2 vowels together. So for example, this one is au, 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 which turns into o, which is the word for I, o or aho, and it rhymes with whānau. Whenever you see this, it will rhyme with o. Whānau, taupō, tauranga, te kauwhata. All of those words with that in will always make that sound o. And this one is ao, ao, like Aotearoa, Māori, taonga. And this is ue. This is I, as in kai. So you would roll your consonant. So I've got an r, and then you would roll this, and you would get rai. And if you wanted to, you could roll your single one as well and get raya. So it's not about making actual words, it's just practicing saying the syllables that make up te reo. And there's always a consonant and a vowel, or more than one vowel together. But the consonant would always be at the beginning. You could have it like this, so you could have aira, but you would never have the consonant at the end. That's the main thing to remember. When you're rolling and practicing, just make sure that your consonant is only at the beginning or the middle, never at the end. All Māori words end with a vowel. So have fun with that, play it with your friends, with your colleagues, just by yourself, with children, and practice those vowels so that it becomes automatic, and that's the main thing, so that when you see those place names and those other words in our common use in New Zealand, you'll begin to automatically know how to pronounce them. Ka kite.